kisses, yeah, house of kisses, yeah, house of kisses, yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make satin bonnets. I will leave a link in the description with all the materials that I used to create this bonnet. Alright, so let's get started. What you're going to need is a pattern based on how big you want your bonnet. Mine is a 12 by 12 90-degree angle. You're going to need some fabric that's silk or satin, some stretchy elastic. This is about a 1/2 inch wide, some scissors, a sewing machine, and of course some thread. So what you're going to do is lay your fabric on a flat surface. You're going to fold it in half, and then we're going to fold it again. Next, you're going to take your pattern and place it on top of your material. You're going to cut it around the curved edge of the pattern. When you're all done with that, you're going to unfold your fabric and you should have 2 identical circles. And what we're going to do with these is turn them right sides facing together. Alright, so once you have your edges lined up with both circles, you're going to pin it all the way around the edge. You want to make sure your bobbin and your thread matches, and we're going to take it straight to the sewing machine. So what I'm doing here is using my presser foot as my guideline to stitch it along the edge all the way around the circle. Now, once you get close to where you started, you don't close the circle. You want to keep a little opening because we're going to use that to turn your material inside out. Once it's turned inside out, you press it out flat and we're going to take it right back to the sewing machine. My elastic is about a 1/2 inch wide, so I'm going to sew it on the outside of the material about an inch around the circle. So once it's done, I still have my little opening here where I'm going to place the elastic. And the measurements for this elastic, I just measured it around my head to the perfect fit. I take a safety pin and that helps me put the elastic through the bonnet. And when I was done, I just attached both ends of the bonnet and sealed it with a zigzag stitch. And there you go. This project took me about 30 to 45 minutes. Thanks for tuning in to my first tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can tag me when you post a picture rocking your custom bonnet. Till next time, mwah.